What is going on, everybody? It is Alex from Everything for iPod, and today I have an unboxing of the brand new iPad Air, which is the first major refresh to the full-size iPad line since the iPad 2 released in March of 2011. With the iPad Air comes a complete redesign to the iPad with a form factor similar to the iPad mini, just blown up to a larger scale. The iPad Air runs off an Apple A7 processor with an M7 Motion coprocessor, the same chip found inside the iPhone 5S. This is an upgrade from the old 4th generation iPad, which uses an Apple A6X chip. Along with the iPad Air itself, inside the box you'll find a 12-watt USB power adapter for charging the iPad, as well as the booklet which contains the quick start guide, the warranty information, and 2 Apple stickers, and directly underneath that is the USB to Lightning cable for charging and syncing the iPad Air. Just like any other iPad unboxing, there are no earpods or headphones included in the box. A little bit of a disappointment, but I'm used to that by now since it's been many years that Apple hasn't been including headphones with the iPad. As I unwrap the iPad out of its plastic, you can see that I went for the space gray, but there is also a white or silver model available, but no gold or champagne color as many people were expecting after the release of the iPhone 5S. If you were looking to buy an iPad Air on launch date, chances are you probably got one, as these things were very easy to find, unlike many of Apple's other product launches. If you picked one up, let me know what model you got down in the comments section below this video. You've probably seen the setup of some iOS device before, so I'm not going to run through the whole process. I'm going to skip through it and get right into iOS 7. The iPad Air shares many of the same design features with the iPad mini, just blown up to a larger scale. That being said, you can still definitely tell the difference between the two devices because the iPad Air has a much larger screen and much larger body than the iPad mini. When you place one on top of the other, you can definitely see where the differences start to kick in. Bringing in the previous generation iPad, we can see the differences between the old and the new. The iPad Air on the left is just a little bit thinner and lighter than the previous generation, but you can really tell the difference when we take a look at the bezels on the side. As you can see, the iPad Air on the left has a significantly smaller bezel on the left and right hand side of the device, which allows the iPad to get squeezed in and more narrow. However, the height of the device didn't really change much. Despite this size difference, the iPad Air uses the same exact 9.7-inch display found in the 4th generation iPad, with the same 2048 by 1536 resolution, which if you do the math calculates out to 264 pixels per inch. That wraps it up for my unboxing of the iPad Air. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future content. I have some really exciting things planned, both related to the iPad Air and some other things as well that you won't want to miss out on. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. See ya.